before using, clean the headlights thoroughly. Alright, step one, you're going to use all these pads right here on the headlights until you see the oxidations get cleared. So it's going to look like this. So you're going to do it in a circle rotation. Step two, you're going to use the pad and the little yellow thing to switch the red one, and you're going to use the gray one, and you're going to do it side to side from the end of the light to the other side of the end. Step three, you're going to use the clear coating, and then you're going to apply it from one side of the end to the other side of the light to make it clear, just like that. So from the dark to the light, see how clear it looks. So whatever light you're using, use it everywhere. Now this is the product that I'm using, Ceramic Headlight Restoration Kit. Works perfectly to give you the good light like that, from being like this to being clear like that. So I'm gonna show you the whole thing when it's cleared up. So this is how it looks when you have the flash on. You see how it looks, how clear from being dark. That's the passenger side. I also did the fog lights. I also did this, the driver side, and I did the fog lights as well, as you can see. So it looks very, very clean right there, and I'm happy with this product. So if you're interested, just go get yours. You know, great product right here. And not only that, it lasts for a long time, and that's a guaranteed thing. So if you like this video, just hit the like button, and then trust me, if you have a problem with oxidations on your headlight, you get the ceramic headlight product, you'll be satisfied.